This is Realme 12 and today I'll show how you can factory reset this phone through its settings. So in the beginning, you will need to find and launch the default settings app. Here, enter the additional settings category. Next, tap at the backup and reset option at the very bottom of this additional settings page. Next, go for the reset phone. Erase all data or reset to factory settings. Before you do that, if you have any data or files you do not want to be erased and consequently you do not want to lose, make sure to back the aforementioned data or files up, or create some backup or copy of your system if you do not want to lose your preferences and properties as well. And here we'll need to tap at the erase data button, obviously. Then once again, somewhere over there you will need to also input the screen lock if you have one enabled. I did not have the screen lock in place, so that's why it didn't require me to, input it, but still. Now just wait some time for the Realme 12 to be hard or factory reset. And once this process is finished, I will end this video. So, since in front of us we have the initial setup screen, that ultimately means that the factory reset process went successfully rather, and that would conclude this video. So, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.